For an update today with airdrop to go and claim, check allocation, and all of that. So I'm not gonna waste your time. We jump straight onto the laptop. Make sure to leave a like to support the channel. And the first thing first is for the WLFI token, the Trump token, the World Liberty Finance token. In case you're interested to trade it, here's the thing: you can go and do it through Hyperliquid, which we all know Hyperliquid. So the link will be down below if you haven't joined it yet. And it is simply like this. I already have an open position here with about $400 on it. The entry price was 29 cents. We are now at 31.2. Now, the thing here is if you want to go and anticipate the market, you can either put a long position, and what's going to happen here is this is a max of a 3x position. This is the pre-market price. If then the price at launch of the spot token, which will happen on Monday, so on the 1st of September, will be higher, let's say it goes to 60 cents, the perpetual that you see here will automatically go to 60 cents. So it could be a win-win. The one thing, if you want to minimize the risk, which is something that I didn't do, I have opened all the position at a 3x leverage. If you want to minimize the risk and basically buy spot now, instead of waiting for it to launch because you have a good feeling about it, you can simply open a 1x leverage position right here. Very, very simple. And with the 1x leverage, what is important? It's important because the 1x leverage will never be liquidated. So it basically is you're entering at spot. If you think that it's going to go to 50 cents, $1, $2, whatever it is, you're basically entering sooner now. You sell it once they go live, and then you buy the spot with it, and no more the liquidation or the risk or the perpetual restart. So this is my strategy, but I did open a 3x just to put some money into it and see how it goes. Hope for the best. There is a lot of backing behind it, considering that the Trump token did about $78 billion in market cap at the peak. We could potentially, even if we say half of that with a $30 billion market cap, we could already be seeing $5 to $6 in price with half the market cap of a meme coin that Trump token launched. So up to you. This is just for you, but if you want on Hyperliquid, you can find it. Next up, we have a surprise airdrop for the OpenSea active users. If you're one of those, it is by the CyberCons right here. It's a blue chip NFT project that combines pixels, art, etc. I'm not going to put my money into it, but 2% of the con supply will be distributed to active OpenSea users. All wallet that purchased 10% worth of Ethereum NXTs on OpenSea since January 2023 are eligible for the airdrop. So if you were an NFT trader, if you do NFT trading back then, you could be eligible for it. Next up, we do have the Mitosis airdrop claim is now live. The claim allocation is over here at the airdrop.mitosis.org, which we do have right here. I already connected and claimed my 29 Mito token. And honestly, I will leave it right here. Why? Because Mito is actually going bad now, and for a blockchain to launch a $20 million market cap, as we see here, I think because of everybody behind it, just like we've seen with Zora, the price is gonna go back up. So I'm keeping it there. I'm not touching it. I am waiting. I have the vesting period anyway. So I will just leave it there. Hope for it to go up again. But the Mito one is over here. You can go and claim it already. I have my stake T Mito. You can already stake the T Mito as well if you want. Simply connect your wallet. Come over here, stake it for X amount of time, do whatever you want, which could be something cool or not. But let me know how much your allocation is as well down below. For an update, I do have a discount for all of you if you want to come and join me over on Breakout. Breakout is a prop firm that allows you to go and trade with different size of amounts. For example, a $50,000 amount in your trading account for only $495, or even less if you decide a two-step authentication for $150. For a $10,000 account, you only spend $100. So the link will be down below. Go to the website, utilize my code, which you also see on the screen, or you find it down below. Paste my code and you will get a discount when signing up and getting yourself your first prop firm account. And then as we see here, for example, this is a $5,000 account, which I have ranked up all the way to 5,500. In this one, because it was a $5,000 account, just like this one, I spent $50 with it. I get 90% of the profit, so 90% of 501 goes to me, 10% goes to Breakout as a prop firm, and that is how you make money. You trade with a lot more money, you make more money, and here I was trading over on Hype. So the link will be down below. Come and join. Pick up your selected amount and let me know in the comments which one you choose. And also, all the traders out there, I have a dedicated trading channel over on Telegram. Free to join. You don't have to do anything. No minimum required. come and join. We do all the calls right here in terms of, as we see here, XRP, Doge, HBAR, all the price analytics, all the charts and everything. So come and join, as it is free and it is something for you that I do really want to do because I like it. Next up, we do have the Invariant airdrop right here. You can claim the Invariant airdrop, which it is an Eclipse that they did move to Solana because Eclipse went to trash because of some people. So just to let you know, you can go and check your allocation, link down below. As you see here, I got 98,000, 99,000 Invariant token. Let me know your allocation down below. If we do reach the $1 mark, it would be absolutely amazing. Is it gonna happen? Possibly not, but you never know. Hope for the best. Even 10 cents, I would be really, really happy with it. Next up, we have the Huma airdrop season 1. You can go and connect your wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, whichever one you want, connect it and check if you are eligible or not. We've already seen this in the past. I am not eligible for it, but let me know if you are down below. Next up, we have the Sapien airdrop right here. Simply connect and check over here on the left side if you're able to go and claim, sign up, and go and do all of the tasks. Super, super simple. Next up, we also have the DeFi app over here. Simply connect, whether you have it with Discord, Google, Twitter, or anything, and go and check if you are eligible for this airdrop. Never have I participated in this one. Never have I even touched, nor opened, nor connected for sure my wallet. But simply go and connect also the possible Twitter or Discord or social media. And as we see here, these have launched at a 102 million market cap. If something like this can launch at 102 million market cap, I am sure Invariant can reach it as well. That would be absolutely gorgeous. I'm sure Mitosis can cover from this 20 million absolute garbage of a launch they had and save themselves, find themselves at 100 million, as well as the Liberty Finance token can find itself at 100 million for sure. So yeah, you see why, like something like this, why it's 100 million. People don't even know it exists, basically. But you know, this is crypto, this is a game, and we're gonna go and play it. Next up, we have the Reservoir airdrop over here. The ticker is this one. Simply go and check your wallet eligibility. You can either check with the Solana one, or you can go and check with a MetaMask wallet. Check eligibility. If you are eligible, good. If you're not eligible, you will see here, sorry, you are not eligible, just like it happened to me. And then we have the Bit Layer airdrop right here. The BTR airdrop is now live. Simply go and check it out, or you have the voice over here. Go to the airdrop, connect the wallet, check if you are eligible for the rewards or not. Here, by connecting Binance, MetaMask, OKX, whichever one you want. Personally, never participate with this one. It does look like a lot of an exchange wallet, so let me know if you are eligible for it or not, but I have not yet participated in it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. It was a quick one. I didn't want to waste your time. We have many updates to talk about in the coming days. We got the linear airdrop coming soon. We got the MetaMask token airdrop coming soon as well. So make sure to stick until the next video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Ciao, guys.